ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar and a warm welcome to Kochi in India for the 46th Antarctic Treaty Consultative Meeting. It is an honor and a privilege for India to host distinguished delegates from around the world in our beautiful country. As we gather to discuss the future of the pristine continent on Earth, we are inspired by the ancient wisdom encapsulated in the Sanskrit phrase Vasudev Kutumbakam, which means one earth, one family, one future. This philosophy resonates deeply with the principles that unite us under the Antarctic Treaty System, promoting peace, scientific cooperation, and the preservation of Antarctica for all mankind. It is indeed a great opportunity for India to host the ATCM for the second time, the first being held in 2007 when the 30th ATCM was held in New Delhi. We are proud to contribute to the ongoing dialogue and collaboration that is essential for the stewardship of this unique continent. Antarctica, with its vast, pristine wilderness, a huge refrigerator of ice, serves as a critical climate modulator and a sentinel of climate change. It holds invaluable clues to our planet's past and future climate, making our collaborative efforts in its preservation all the more critical. This icy expanse is not just a frozen desert, it is a dynamic, living laboratory that demands our highest commitment to protection and study. India's connection with Antarctica began in 1956 when we introduced an item at the 11th UN General Assembly advocating for the peaceful utilization of Antarctica. Our active Antarctic journey, however, truly commenced with our first expedition in 1981. Since then, our programs have been a testament to our dedication and peaceful purposes and scientific exploration. The Maitri Station, established in 1989, has been our primary workhorse, facilitating numerous scientific endeavors and expeditions, and standing as a beacon of our enduring commitment to Antarctic research. In 2012, we further expanded our research capabilities with the establishment of the Bharati Station. We are committed to understand India's connect with Antarctica and would advocate for responsible and regulated tourism. As we look to the future, we are excited to announce India's plan to build a new research station, Maitri 2. This enhancement will strengthen our capabilities to conduct vital research, particularly in connection with the instability of East Antarctic ice sheet. Our goal is to contribute more substantially to global scientific knowledge and to international effort of understanding and mitigating climate change. We firmly believe that Antarctica is a continent for all mankind and shared heritage whose protection rests in our collective hands. This belief is enshrined in our actions and policies as we work together with other nations to ensure that Antarctica remains a natural reserve devoted to peace and science. Antarctica holds immense importance for the world due to its unique and fragile ecosystem, scientific significance, and role in global climate regulation. Antarctica plays a critical role in regulating global sea levels and ocean currents, influencing weather patterns and marine life worldwide. Its preservation is essential for maintaining ecological balance and safeguarding biodiversity. The Antarctic Treaty highlights the international commitment to preserving Antarctica's environmental, scientific, and cultural values. Protecting Antarctica is not only a matter of environmental conservation, but also a shared responsibility for the well-being of present and future generations. By recognizing Antarctica's importance and actively participating in its conservation efforts, we can ensure that this pristine continent remains a symbol of international cooperation and environmental stewardship for years to come. As we embark on this consultative meeting, let us reaffirm our commitment to these principles. Let us strive together to safeguard Antarctica for future generations, fostering a spirit of collaboration and mutual respect. The decisions we make here and the discussions we engage in will echo through time, shaping the destiny of this pristine land. In closing, I wish all delegates fruitful deliberations and a successful meeting. Let us continue to work together as one global family for the betterment of our planet and the preservation of Antarctica. Thank you very much.